How to fix Instagram not letting you make a new account. Let's say you want to sign up to Instagram. However, you have to make sure that the phone number that you will be using to make an account or the email that you will be using to make your account is not affiliated with another Instagram account that you have made before. So to make sure that you don't really have that kind of problem at hand, you just have to click on login and forgot password. Now, you have to enter your email or your phone number that might have been affiliated to one Instagram account. And if that sent you a confirmation code or a login link, that meant that your email address or the phone number that you have is already affiliated with another Instagram account. So another issue that you may encounter is maybe your Instagram account is disabled. So in order to do that, you just have to search for disabled Instagram account. You just have to go to Help Center right here. And then type in no. Elaborate to them how you can let them help you with your situation. So that's how to fix Instagram not letting you make a new account.